pagi.
Pelangi, na Outs Pagi Show en op VTFM. Weet konikina?
Op Punja celebrating 90 years.
Kay Vinod Patel.
VTFM, Kamila, Kachi.
We say good morning, Harbinaka, Bulbanaka. Welcome to Outs Palang Show, Harbinaka, to all the friends, to all the listeners tuning in this morning. To all the friends in Lambasa. And Tolunasana, the Konrabembua, Maduata.
All right.
Yo Sambula Re, mi Bulasia.
Bulasia,
Bulabina.
Kemundo
All them Sara Samu.
Iya, mbula binaka atu kemundo bata bango. Mbula boki, siapa?
Kemakan Rosa Tali.
Oh, iso tali. Sota boki.
Yeah, do Tali.
Ah.
Yeah. Naboki Tali.
Bulasia biro.
Iya.
Right.
Iya.
Bulaboki.
Iya. Bulunaka Boki, Harbinaka.
Bulaboki.
Iya.
Bulaboki.
Doboki.
Oi.
Iya.
Tunga biro.
Gori.
Tunga biro yo.
Iya.
Hai bulare biro.
Iya.
Hai bulare biro.
Natale na biro.
Oi.
Natanya biro.
Okay, sota tali.
Iya.
So biro.
Oi.
Ta biro.
Right.
Dua tali.
Iya.
Tunga biro.
Right. Doboki.
Iya, dua biro.
Iya.
Hey, Mela Velebu, Andra Vinaka, tuning in from Brisbane in this wonderful morning.
Makadam.
And,
Mino.
Senai.
Asia
Iya, naman ito may wise ngonan reba ni NGBL 01.
Iya.
Namba sini S9 abeng grabe ito indabu ilebu.
Wana.
Bimata kalele kele sa naman din dola to wise kira kita na pasindia.
Iya.
Main dabu ilebu na borong buli main na BTFM
Iya.
92.2 FM. Na kami telengan ni mata tinitat sa rugby non tamunua.
Iya.
O pita masilada kira bubalen do sema buli main go.
Iya.
Kaya matakan dende mambul tatu kami para masiding go kon na dorbo ni motoriki.
Right.
O koya enoka. Kaya nokoro sa noka tuno na momo.
Iyo.
Imatari tu bunios tu na bale.
Right.
Sangkai dure nio dorbo. Bat kena nona sa kumbe ni na windi kebi.
Iyo.
Nona langan ni bila katum batao.
Iya.
Kila ko na gap ko ni katum bayang kay mananumo ko mesambute ni kina.
Right.
Dabu kalaw na matani nona de ko dabu kalawa.
Iya.
Mbutun don sa tungay bambui momo na tamay na watin.
Iyo.
Mbutu me bango kay rin ka momo.
Iya.
Are me bango kay sulturi baroro o basul watonga.
Iya.
Abang ko momo.
Iya.
Hey!
Chilo.
Tamata via lebo iko.
Hey, good morning to Bernadette Swinga.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning. Likewise to Memsi Kororua and
Yeah.
Louis Neitong Langay. Hey,
Yeah.
wise. Can you look on the mirror of your bus?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at the back.
Yeah.
Someone is very want to sleep.
Who?
Someone who is at the back want to sleep.
Wise.
Tell Wise to look at the mirror.
Oh,
Someone at the
the
back
blue
is
bus?
in the blue bus.
Yeah.
He's turning.
Yeah, someone at the back is like go in front and go in the back. Go in front and the back.
Oh, so sabu.
Early this morning, yeah.
Oh, right, because of the traffic jam, eh?
traffic jam, yeah.
FSK Kimi.
Yeah.
Para masedi may nabunole mo Kokomo. Oh, Kokomo is from our side, eh?
Yeah.
Dong bula na kana staff care ni Kokomo. Siya matiko may na matakabina ni Kuwa. And good morning to all the bus drivers,
Yeah.
all the taxi drivers.
Right.
Not forgetting the mummies, the daddies
Yeah.
out there at the home.
Don't do binaka.
Together with the children.
Yeah.
Some of them, they are complaining. Hey, I just buy one bucket of biscuit yesterday.
Yeah.
Look, see.
Iya.
Only 2 left.
Wana nabu.
Yeah.
Ibi nakasaya ka juga.
Yeah. But we love you all, kids.
Yeah.
Sometime,
Yeah.
we're gonna miss them.
Yeah.
When they are around,
Yeah.
we're talking about them. Hey, Jao. No, now, no more. Yeah, we help them. Yeah.
Okay, we say good morning to all the our friends tuning in from the hospital bed who are sick this morning,
Yeah.
admitted at different hospitals around the country. We say ano binaka to you all. Kita ba nung binaka chula biyo kading gonin donang ono laga mengo.
Yeah.
You will have good health. Dan lagi teman kita lagi tapi satu menggarabi ramai bale. Ada bude besok terake.
From Brarameli Road, Singatok.
Yeah.
Very windy. The hurricane is very overflowing.
Oh,
The house is very quaking.
Okay.
In this morning, because John Kumar, you know what?
Yeah.
John Kumar this morning don't want to eat anything.
Yeah,
He
okay.
just one cup of tea.
If there's an earthquake in Singatok in Bararabeli,
Yeah.
something must be happening inside the house.
Oh, baka dua, same time.
Iya.
Same time, saya nga bere-bere.
He is a new man now.
Who?
Oh!
John Kumar.
Siampavi?
A new man.
Another
Tangan mo.
Another one.
Boy.
He's
Bararabeli
a-
kido.
Yeah.
Please
He's
care.
Yeah.
Eat cucumber bagaliw.
Eh, nalaman ni And alam ni KQ622.
Yeah.
Andreba ni Andreba Ura.
Yeah.
Abang bertatu kami milih suka na tambua na tinay Phoebe.
Yeah.
Na besi mati boleh mai tamay Phoebe talenga mai masing-masing do boleh benak.
Oh.
Thank you very much for joining this morning.
Arbina tu Nox namor to sama sama my and mo to my Baghdad my Raki. And I'm tagdi ko Vini Marama, the beautiful hairdresser. She's a beautiful lady.
Oh.
This lady,
Okay.
Vini Marama.
Right.
O tsanga ni ndawai telu tu eh?
Ulin na na.
Ne tawai.
Isale.
Eta ba?
Dawai.
Pinakabalevo.
You want the hairdo?
Hairdo, me porri.
Yeah, do the waxing like waxing.
Yeah.
I want to put an extension here.
Just make
Yeah.
one road from here.
Extension cord.
Front to the back. Leave both sides empty.
Good morning to everybody.
Yeah.
This morning, how did you? I want to say good morning to the Masikau family
Yeah.
from Moitang Butabeuni now in Naitasi Road, Valilevu.
Right.
Opposite Railangi for the reunion happening
This Friday.
on Friday this week.
Don't know about
Good morning and also to the family joining from there. Thank you very much.
Okay, our story this morning will be a short one nga about the students learning Fijian.
There was a teacher.
Yeah.
The teacher was teaching.
Yeah.
The student was there.
Yeah.
And the teacher was saying, "Good morning, student."
Yeah.
They reply,
Yeah.
"Good morning, madam. How are you, student?" "I'm fine, well, thank you." "How are you, madam?" "I'm thank you too." "How are you too?" They doing the morning as like a everyday life.
Yeah.
Facing ay nakatubaya.
Yeah.
Okay, sabi na ka, thank you. Today,
Greetings.
greetings and introduction.
Yeah.
And today we will learn about vernacular.
Yeah.
Vernacular, another word for vernacular is Fijian.
Yeah.
Another word of Fijian is Vekabaviti.
Right.
When you see the Vekabaviti, it's coming the Vekabavanua.
Right.
Okay.
So today we will learn who we are.
Yeah.
Our words, our talk,
Yeah.
our manners,
Yeah.
You have to know you first.
our clothes,
Yeah.
our life, and your mother's tongue.
Sorry, very nice to be doing on sila toka. Ano na ka kimuni?
Yeah.
Carry on. Carry on.
So they are about to start. Different question was being asked by the teacher. Thank you. Before we start, introduce yourself in Fijian.
Yeah.
Your trees, your animal,
Yeah.
your food,
Yeah.
your position,
Yeah.
different kind. So they explain and they try. And one question, Odengo may Sidi Komora.
Yeah.
Oh, sini.
Yeah, good morning to you and the family joining this morning. Rebani, I am Chubo, Irara, Kinibuai, Bibali Tungo Lao in Boscoviti.
One nabu.
Slide Junior Bolela, Yanre.
Yeah.
So when they go, the teacher asking,
Yeah.
in Fijian, na sa tarong mabiti?
May.
Okay. Na soli mo na ba daw la kanyo ti may na meke pamanua?
Kero balang.
What occasion happening during the ambulancing of the Fijian ceremony? Na soli mo na ba? Na soli mo na ba daw la kanyo ti may na meke pamanua?
Yeah.
Everybody was quiet.
Yeah.
And a fellow from the back, he is very soon the one who wants to speak
Yeah.
in their dialect.
Yeah. Yeah.
Always speak.
Always speak.
Yeah.
But the fellow never respect, never raise hand.
Yeah.
He just and
Yeah. So the teacher said, if you want to answer the question,
Yeah.
you have to raise your hand.
in a menace way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Baka ano dito? Ni siya
Alright.
suka na to.
Alright.
Yeah.
If you want to raise your hand,
Yeah.
answer the question.
Yeah.
Okay. Na sole mo na ba daw la ka ni otima ndo na meke pamanua.
English.
What occasion happening in your life during the ceremony of Fijian?
Yeah.
No, bukan nga yan. Bukan nga na mo siya. Na sole mo na ba daw la ka ni otima ndo na meke pamanua.
Yeah.
Sinimberangan niyo nangonengon niyo, these children
Yeah.
always follow his
Grandfather. Yeah.
And whenever he go,
Yeah.
he followed the grandfather. The Mbumbu
Yeah.
already passed away.
Yes,
So they stay together. Everything. Whenever he go to a grog session, he
Yeah.
go.
Yeah.
Whenever he follow in every question, every ceremony,
Yeah.
he go.
Yes,
So everything that happening by a grandfather,
Yeah.
these children know.
Yeah.
So when the teachers ask,
Yeah.
na sole bula ba ndo daka ni otima ndo na meki babanua,
Yeah.
the only question, okay, coming very soon.
Yeah.
What's the question, ma'am? Na sole bula ba ndo daka ni otima ndo na meki babanua, na
Yeah.
meki bula saka.
Kembali, tukar do make pula saranga.
Sa tarang mo ka na meki babanua la bakila mo ka ndo na meki rede mimbu. Binabale buat tua Punjas and Vinod Patel for the bubbling.
Hey, arbinaka buku ya, ada korum buku ya. Text.
Iya.
Arbinaka kedi tako arbinaka kemenina kanda bil lesene ni arbinaka turang. Lebih itu menebesi berbur, pada arbinaka sekali bikin ni matang di kuah. Kembali orang mana sindolas ya? Nakangar itu juga saram itu kuna.
Di Sara.
Hah?
Iya.
Tarung itu tuh kayak warai. Agak bilang kami kirim belum di classroom. Sombo. Warna telah bikin na sama cuma lemani itu lilik kita kan?
Iya.
Nama tadi ko suruh sorry koridor yang benar bi kirim na loading boys.
Tombo tale kuku.
Tombo tale kuku, pakai dua tombo mama terserah ngau kuku.
Tombo tale kuku
Iya.
Bukan diri salu.
Merendani, Blenheim, Timothy Wangga Tukana, Kolinio Kumbuna Banua.
Ano benak.
Kedi tako.
Isa.
Ay tanon rendo kedi tako siya tundo na hati.
Kembali ko ang den mai. Stop.
Iya.
Dulu kena loma den tali.
Wiki na sar cuma itu talaga nang lag ko kita na pabulang chiko.
Iyo.
Orto na flying pigeon eh.
Right.
Ada bunyi kita nang mado ko isa mga may. Ito nang lag minggo.
Kita makito sada pa man minaka. Like heart guys ya tangan dalay we.
Doon mo binaka.
Demis.
Kurmun